Okay, so sometimes selecting the rigs one by one is time consuming. Like for this animation, I'm using these four rigs for all of the time to animate this. So we can create a quick set. Okay, let me show you how. So go to create. Here's the sets. Create quick selection set. Yeah. Now set a name like tail and add to shelf. Okay. So here is a tail. Go to edit. Go to shelves. On the icon name, I will use this one. This quick rig. Save all. Now it says quick rig tail. Now if I just hit this button, you see all the rigs are selected.